This morning we are heading over to Great Stirrup Cay in the Bahamas. We are getting a couples massage on the beach, and then we're going to do some snorkeling on their Norwegian's private island. Yay.
Great Stirrup Cay is Norwegian Cruise Line's private island in the Bahamas. So the island is located between Great Harbor Cay and Little Stirrup Cay and is about 140 miles east of Miami. To get to the island, you have to take a tender from the cruise ship. The boat ride, it lasts about 10 minutes. We started our island adventure at Silver Cove Private Retreat, which hosts the Mandara Spa, a private lagoon, and private villas. I'm not gonna lie, starting the day with the spa was the absolute perfect way to start our island adventure. There are $25 million in facilities and amenities on the island, including really delicious food with 3 dining options to choose from, a Caribbean buffet, taco bar, and even a food truck, and it's all included with your cruise. After our massage, we headed to the private lagoon for some relaxing fun in the sun. And what is really nice about the private lagoon is you even have access to loungers on the beach and floaties in the water.
So now we're done with our spa treatment, and now we're enjoying the private beach. This is the life. This is a perfect day. Be free. Start out with your massage. Get your massage first thing in the morning so you can be totally relaxed, and then enjoy the private beach, and then we're gonna go snorkeling in the afternoon.
Snorkel rentals are available on the island, so we decided to try the full face mask snorkels. Not a huge fan. NCL created an underwater sculpture garden to provide yet another layer of fun. This island adventure definitely did not disappoint, but all good things must come to an end.
We had a fabulous time here at Great Stirrup Cay Cay, especially because we got the spa package. That allowed us to go off and really just have a exclusive experience for very little money. So using all your energy and having fun allows you to be free.